A PAC, or Porting Authorization Code, allows you to transfer your current phone number to a new mobile provider when switching from Lebara UK. It's a unique code that ensures you don't lose your number during the switch. Getting a PAC code from Lebara is free and primarily done digitally. There are three main ways to get your PAC code: through the Lebara app, via the web dashboard, or by contacting support. The PAC is valid for 30 days, and it usually takes 24 to 48 hours for the code to be issued. You need to be an active Lebara customer with no outstanding debts to be eligible for a PAC code. First, get your PAC code through the Lebara app. Download the app from iOS or Android app stores and log into your account. Second, use the web dashboard. Go to mylebara.co.uk and sign into your account. Navigate to the porting section and request your PAC code. Third, contact support. Call 141 from your Lebara SIM or use live chat on the website or app. An agent will verify your identity and provide the PAC code. Keep your account details ready and updated.